Your teeth's enamel, which is their outermost layer, can become stained from some meals. The accumulation of plaque on your teeth can also give them a yellow appearance. Usually, frequent cleaning and whitening procedures can treat this kind of discoloration. Dentin can sometimes be seen behind the hard enamel, giving teeth a yellow appearance. Underneath the enamel is the naturally yellow, bony tissue known as dentin. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 7 natural ways to whiten teeth at any age. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. Now let's begin. 1. Trying oil pulling. Oil pulling is the practice of using oil to clean the mouth of debris, germs, and other impurities. Some study indicates that cleaning the mouth with particular oils may assist to whiten the teeth, while it is not a replacement for consistent brushing and flossing. But if you want to attempt this procedure, rinse your mouth with oil after brushing for about 20 minutes, and then spit it out. Coconut oil, sunflower oil, and sesame oil are among the oils that can be used for oil pulling. 2. Brush with baking soda. Because it naturally whitens teeth, baking soda is a common component in commercial toothpaste. It is a gentle abrasive that might aid in cleaning up surface stains from teeth. Baking soda also produces an alkaline environment in your mouth that inhibits the growth of bacteria. Your teeth won't become whiter overnight with this treatment, but over time you should see a difference in how they look. 3. Using hydrogen peroxide. A gentle bleach like hydrogen peroxide will help whiten discolored teeth. A person can attempt brushing for 1 to 2 minutes twice daily for a week with a solution of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for the best results. They shouldn't do this too frequently. Hydrogen peroxide may make teeth more sensitive, so it shouldn't be used over an extended period of time or by those who already have sensitive teeth. 4. Whitening with fruit. Both the enzymes papain and bromelain, which are found in papayas and pineapples respectively, may aid in tooth whitening. According to research, tooth whitening gels that contain papain or bromelain have a significant clinical ability to whiten teeth. 5. Chewing high-fiber foods. Certain high-fiber vegetables and legumes can be chewed to reduce oral acidity and save tooth enamel. Beans or leafy greens like spinach cause the mouth to secrete more saliva, which aids in neutralizing acid in the mouth. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Since ancient times, people have utilized apple cider vinegar as a natural cleaner and disinfectant. Bacteria are efficiently eliminated by apple cider vinegar's primary active component, acetic acid. Vinegar's ability to fight microorganisms is what makes it effective for teeth whitening and mouth cleaning. 7. Activated charcoal. Negative charge exists in activated charcoal. Your teeth get whiter as a result of it being absorbed by the positively charged plaque on the tooth surface once it bonds to it. That's it for today, folks. If we left out any natural teeth whitening methods you know of, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.